because of COVID, I drank a 12-pack of beer, 7 vodka drinks, and 3 glasses of wine every damn night for a year and a half. I ain't taking shit off. Where'd my vodka drink go, though? I will have my vodka drink, though. Why do I want your stinky-ass, sweaty boot? There's some Sigma Chi brethren right there. Did y'all have a good football day? Did everybody win their bets? Who won their bets today? I made 45 bets and I'm up $300. It's been very stressful for $300.